Walking Dead.
Slowly, we are going to strip this man, Naeem Ajmal, of his title.
Man, are you crazy? Are you mocking the title?
And he's only going to be left with another title.
That's his title. You understand?
Abu Lays Az-Zibri.
Being respectable by calling him Deobandi.
This murtad, this indeed, he is someone who mocks the deen of Allah.
What's the big deal?
The John from Birmingham.
Just to get that out there, if I do get along with him on a humanistic level, if there's any such word, it's childish from those who can't think outside the box.
The guy's a mangator, man.
And even, just to put it out there, even if I do get along with him, that yes, you can have a relationship with someone who
Mocks the deen of Allah.
but as a person, I can't really fault him.
He is someone who mocks the deen of Allah.
I can't really fault him. He's very
He's a proper fruit shop, this guy.
you can still get along, and you can still be mutual. So
And every friend could turn against you.
Proper coconuts that he hangs around with.